tugging at my sleeve.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making GLAM Christmas ornaments with plenty of bling and brooches. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching.
Children playing in the snow, a merry game they play, chasing each other to and fro.
We have already prepped our ornament for time's sake, and we will link a tutorial down below to show you how to pour your bowl as well. In this bowl, there's a lot of glitter mixes mixed all in the bowl from different projects that we have done. I'm gonna do my best and try to get the colors. One of them is by Recollections, and you can find this at Michael's. It's called Glitzy Glitter Mix, and it's in a pale gold. And also there's another one by Recollections, signature and special. It's called Chunky Glitter. So this is the chunky glitter. That's gonna have, like, wanna say like your lighter gold with some hits of pewter in it. And that comes in like a square container, and that's found at Michael's as well. Or you can make up your own glitter mix. But we use probably maybe 5 types of glitter in here. And then there's a Martha Stewart, it's her super fine glitter. And this is in the Florentine gold, and it's fine glitter. But you can find the fine glitter somewhere else. Doesn't have to be Michael's. I don't know if they're carrying Martha Stewart, but we got this a few years back, and we just got a whole bunch of it at the time. And you can find it online if you don't find it at Michael's. Have another Martha Stewart, is the super fine glitter. Again, it's called Sterling Silver. We also have the base coat that locks in everything. You can find that at JoAnns, and that is just their white glitter. I'll combine it all together. So you pretty much can make your own mixture and it turn out really nice. And then we have some small silver beads that you can get from JoAnns. And we just kind of put the beads inside of it, and we kind of mixed it all together. And so basically you're going to get that kind of a mixture, but you can kind of just play around with it. You don't have to have the exact same mixture because it's going to come out beautiful either way. this is pretty much the decorating part, which is the fun part. So you can decorate it with brooches, whatever you like on this part. It's totally up to you. But we're doing ours in brooches today. We're making it real glam, those who love a lot of glam. Now, if you're one who does not care for the glam or the glitz, then you can also do something elegant, such as doing it with ribbon. That also looks beautiful on the bows. And we do have some tutorials where we have the ornaments done in ribbon, and they look really, really pretty as well. Now, we didn't do this on camera, but we did it off camera. But we would just wanted to let you see that there is another shape you can use too for this particular tutorial. If you don't want to use the round ornaments, you can use a different shape ornament. So moving on to the next project, we have your mini ornaments, and these are absolutely adorable. They look good on any size tree. Now it's time to decorate the ornaments, and you can use whatever you desire on this part. If you're not a person that likes a lot of glam and bling, then you can do ribbon on this part, whatever you desire. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time. We would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.